What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as promised, as it says in the description, today Optimus Prime goes to the tune shop so that way we can get it tuned and see what the numbers come in at. So we just recently went from the stage 2 kit to the stage 3 kit, which involved a smaller pulley. I went down from a 3.4 down to a 3.0, and I upgraded the injectors. No more stock injectors. It's got the Cadillac ATS injectors installed. We got the Kohler spark plugs. We got the fuel system done with the ZL1 fuel pump, and all other modifications with the exhaust and all that good stuff. So the ECU to TCU is tuned and all that stuff. I'm gonna go to Arizona Elite Motorsports here in Arizona, and they tuned it before on the stage 2 kit, but as you can see behind me, we're gonna tow it because I can't drive it. I think you can't even go over like 3,000 RPM or something like that, which is near impossible, where I have to go over 3,000 RPM, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, my man is over here towing the car, you know what I'm saying, and we're gonna get it in, bro. I'll see you guys at the shop. Guys, welcome back, and we made it to the shop, and because the car is so low, we had to park in the middle of the road. So go figure. Look, cars are coming, but it's all good, you know. We're gonna do what we do best. There's a car coming on that side, and then there's 2 cars coming on this side. That's great. All right, guys, good luck going on around the truck. Park in the middle of the road. We gotta do what we gotta do. Alright, you guys, so hopefully you guys liked the video. As you can see on that dyno pull, you know, I couldn't stay there with them at the shop, because you know when they take the car, they take it for about 4 hours so they can dial everything in and all that good stuff. It is a Mustang dyno, so that thing is like super accurate. You know, when you go on a dyno jet, like I could probably get more numbers out of a dyno jet, but not that I'm gonna track it now because of the rap, but I want to know accurate numbers. You know, I don't want bragging right numbers where it just sounds really good, but if you did end up tracking it and you notice the guy next to you has the horsepower that you're being told you have, and he or she does better, you know, numbers than you, then there's a reason why, you know. So that's my opinion. There's a reason why the dyno is more expensive as well on the Mustang dyno. It's just straight accurate, you know. So shout out to Arizona Elite Motorsports. Bill is the man, you know. And Kirsten's, you know, is his wife, and she be holding it down, you know what I mean? So, you know, they tell you straightforward. When you go over there, they'll tell you straight up, like, this is your numbers, this is where you're at. And we dialed it in this time compared to last time on stage 2. I had the 4 cats in there. On stage 2, I was at 6 pounds of boost, and I came in at 388 wheel. This time we got 13 pounds of boost out of it with the new rear end and all that good stuff, and it came out at 428 wheel. So it was 511 crank. So of course, did I want to get closer to 450, you know, 460 wheel? Yes. If I run E85, I'll hit that all day long. But I wasn't running E85 on this pull. I was just on regular 91 pump gas. Something to think about, yeah, but I think I'm happy where I'm at, because right now 2013 ZL1 5th gen is 580 to the crank. I'm 511, so I'm 64 horsepower less than a ZL1. Those are good numbers. You know, you start out 323 horsepower in the V6 Camaro, and now I'm at 511 horsepower in a V6 Camaro. I'm happy where I'm at. Now it's time to focus on Prime V2. But in the meantime, hopefully you guys like this video. Leave a comment below what you guys think. It was a dope shot, man. They got showing the back of the car on the dyno. It sounded amazing. It sounds great in person. It was a lot of fun, man. So till next time, make sure you guys please subscribe on the page. Show your boys some love. Show Prime Time some love. And I hope you guys enjoyed that video, man. Let me know what you guys think. DILLA, Priminator, out.
Invisible.